Hello, my name is Toby. I'm a small turtle, and I live near a quiet pond with my family. One day, I wanted to do something different. I wanted to see the forest. I packed some lettuce and berries in my shell bag. Goodbye, I said. My mom said, be careful. I smiled and started my adventure. I walked slowly through the tall grass. Suddenly, I saw a red fox. I was a little scared, but the fox was kind. He showed me a shortcut. Thank you, Mr. Fox, I said. Later, I met a busy squirrel. He was carrying nuts. He gave me one and said, "You are very brave, little turtle." Then it started to rain. I was wet and cold. I found a big leaf and used it like an umbrella. After some time, I saw a light. It came from a small cave. Inside the cave, I met an old owl. "Come in," he said. I told him my story, and we ate the berries and nut together. The next day, the sun came out. I walked back home with a happy heart. I had a big adventure and made new friends.